Okay, hello ka muna.
Hello.
O, magbe-bake tayo ng, ano i-bake natin? Brownies. O, ano kailangan ni Kelab sa brownies?
Egg.
Ilang egg? How many egg?
1.
1 egg. This one, 1 pack of? 1 pack of?
OR.
No, this is flour, cocoa, sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water for butter. Okay, wait. Open this one first. Open this one. I hold properly that scissor. Not like that. Hold here. Sige pa. Dito. Very good. Put everything. Put everything inside.
Egg ball. Done.
Put everything inside.
Mommy, done.
Okay, quiet mo tayo. Dandahan. Baka magkalat. Sige, put everything. Dandahan, sayang. Dandahan. Next. Wait lang.
Egg.
Okay, wait. Go. Lakas. Louder. Oh, may dikit dyan. Louder. Sige. Oh. Okay na. 2 hands.
De.
Wait lang. May ano. Wait. May ano. Mamaya tatanong kita kung how many eggs ang nilagay mo, how many butter, ha? Oh, remember 1 egg, we put 1 egg, 1 water, 4 butters. Mix. Oh, then put, what's next? What's that? 1 tablespoon water. Oh, what's next? Butter. This is 4 tablespoons of butter. Wait. Wait lang. Ano sinutin natin? Wait. Baro. Put another one, this one, oil, before you mix. Slowly mixing, ha, bebe? Para hindi mahulog. Ay, para hindi Sige, go. Mix all this. Slowly. Oh, malalaglag to. Oh, hold this. This one mix. Yan. Go. Taste. Go mix na. Ito pa, dami dito.
Make me a bed.
Okay. Mommy will help you, ha? na mix. Para mag-mix yung butter tsaka mixture natin. And mix go. More mixing. Ay, hold 1. Babagsak yan, be. Hold 1 only.
Mommy.
Go mix.
Mommy.
No need for that. No need for that.
Need.
No need for that.
Up.
Oo, mahirap kasi yun. O, go, mix.
Ako.
How many egg you put?
1.
1. How about water? How many?
1.
1 also. How about butter?
1.
Ay, that's not 1.
2.
I said?
3.
How many butter? 4 tablespoons. Let me help you. So I can mix everything. Oh, wait lang, magkaalis kasi...
4 butter.
Opo. We're gonna put it inside the oven, ha?
Open.
Yes.
Me or bed.
You will help mommy, ha? May butter pa pala, oh. Huwag mag-ingay, maririnig sa video mo. Sige ko. Oh, done na. Can you get that tray? Can you get that tray? Galawin, maayos na eh. Put everything na.
Mommy, old me.
Huwag mo na patuluin din yun. Okay na yan, huwag mo na itaktak. Dito ka na. Go.
Mommy, look.
Wait lang. You want to put the star? Huh? You want to put star? Wait lang. You put here. Count mo kung ilang star ilalagay mo. Don't put everything, ha? Kasi masyadong madami. You put 10 star only, ha? Bilangin. Ay, wag ganyan kadami.
I love
star. Oh. Oh, you put 10 only. You count, ha? You need to count, ha? Wait lang. 1. Get it, then put it here. Dito ka. You count, ha?
1.
10 only.
2. 3. 4.
4. 5. 6. What's the next? Again. 6. 6.
8.
Oh, what's
Nine.
next? 7. Next is 7. Hold this one.
10.
7.
11.
What's next number?
10.
8.
8.
Oh,
9.
9.
10.
Oh. How many star you put?
10.
10 star. You need to follow instruction, ha?
Eyes.
Eyes, no more. Again. All this one, we're gonna put it inside the oven. Edit. Go. No need na. Open the oven first. Oh, put. Very good. Put.
Hindi daon.
Sige na, go. Ano babag? Nasisira na yung on natin. Close.